Imagine earning money while you sleep, without constantly working for it. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how affiliate marketing can make this dream a reality. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products and services that genuinely help others. Unlike traditional business models, affiliate marketing works on a commission basis, allowing you to earn income even when you're not actively working. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability and the ability to choose products that align with your interests, from health supplements to digital tools. As digital product consumption grows, so does the potential for affiliate marketers to create a steady income stream with minimal ongoing effort. The best affiliate systems are designed for recurring revenue, meaning you can earn month after month from a single sign-up. Rob Cornish's book, Evergreen Passive Income with Affiliate Marketing, is a valuable resource for anyone looking to start their affiliate marketing journey. This book offers practical, repeatable steps to launch and sustain an affiliate marketing venture for long-term profitability. With insights from a successful marketer, you'll learn evergreen strategies that withstand changes in trends and technology. Ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Grab your free copy of Evergreen Passive Income with Affiliate Marketing and start building your passive income today. Your future self will thank you.